Hi everyone, I warmly welcome you all in this course. In this course, I am going to teach you how to become an expert software quality assurance tester by mastering in this field now. So if you would like to see my profile, you will visit on my LinkedIn profile, which I specified in the Udemy account. So without wasting your time, let me introduce the course objectives. So the first objectives you will be able to get in this course, understand the basic concepts and terminology of the software testing. Then I'm going to coach you software testing lifecycle, waterfall and agile testing processes. Then we will be discussing more in detail perform web and mobile functional testing. And then I'm also teaching you how to plan, document and execute the testing activities. And after that, you will be able to understand common test cases. So the question here, who can join this course? Anyone who would like to become a part of this family as an internees, as a fresh graduate if you are, or if you are graduate already with 1 year of experience in any of the field now, like MBA or whatever you did now, you can still have the chances to become a software quality assurance tester. Or anyone who would like to excel their career in the field of software testing, developers or designers or the existing experienced QA engineer, anyone can get the benefit of this course now. So the first outcome you will get in this course, comfortably understand of the software testing and the web terminologies. Then you will be able to understand, be able to comfortably work in the agile testing methodology. We will see in detail. And then I will be telling you about how to grasp our functional testing techniques, web and mobile. And also I am teach you here grasp our test plan, test cases, bug reporting and defect reporting. And then you will be able to get hands-on understanding of the common test cases now. And then attendees will be able to work on the live projects in any kind of situation now. So if you would like to get the ability to use multiple tools, you will be able to understand for the delivering a successful project now. So this is all about the course outline. I am going to tell you the introduction phase. You will learn about the software development life cycle. Then we will discuss about the waterfall model. Then we'll discuss in detail about agile model. Then we will discuss about the introduction of testing, why testing is very important these days now. Then I am also teaching you who does testing, and then when to start and when to stop the testing. And then we will discuss in detail about the principle of testing. And then we will also discuss about the difference between the verification and validation. And then we will also discuss about the standards and model related to testing. And then I will also let you know about the V model, why we are using now and the main purpose for using the V model. Another objective, the terminologies we will discussing about in detail, like static analysis, the difference between the dynamic versus the static. And then I will explain in this course about the failure, error, fault and defect. What is the difference between all these terms? Then I am also coach you about the testing debugging, and then about we will discuss more in detail software testing life cycle. And after discussing this model, we will be also be discussing about the methodologies and the levels. So the methods of testing, there are the two methods of testings we will discuss in detail. One is the manual testing, and then we will little bit touch about the automation testing. And who would like to join the automation testing now? Then we will discuss in detail about the level of testing. So there are the different level of testing, like the unit testing, integration testing and the system testing. And I will teach you when you need to use all these kinds of different level of testing. And then we will also discussing about the testing techniques like black box testing, white box testing and the gray box testing. And then we will also discuss in this course about the types of testing, like the functional testing and the non-functional testing, which is coming under the umbrella of automation testing, performance testing, security testing, the data testing and the platform testing now. So these are all the things we will also discussing about the functional testing, about the processes of testing, the equivalence partitioning, the boundary value analysis, error guessing, state transitional testing, and the use cases now. So all of these things we will be discussing about under the umbrella of non-functional testing, like the performance testing, load testing, stress testing, volume testing, reliability testing, usability testing, and compatibility testing, security testing and the portability testing now. And also we will discuss more in detail about the website testing now. So in the website testing, we will discuss detail about the web terminologies, the functional testing, the usability testing, interface testing, component level testing, and also I am coaching you about the accessibility testing, the configuration testing, the database testing, the compatibility testing, performance testing, and the security testing now. Then we will also touch about little bit, talk about the mobile gestures, terminologies, and then how to test the mobile based application. And what is the difference between the native, hybrid, and mobile application testing? And we will also discuss about the complexity of the mobile testing domain now. Then I would like to recommend about the strategies, when you need to use what kind of strategies for the mobile based application testing now. So all these things we are going to discuss, and I am very much excited to share all these valuable content with you that will definitely help you to transform your journey towards become an expert quality assurance engineer. So looking forward in our first introduction session now. Thank you very much for watching this session.